Here we are in the kitchen, and we've got cumin, coriander, garam masala, cayenne pepper, cinnamon, ginger, nutmeg, paprika, and turmeric. And we're going to bloom those spices in the skillet, making sure not to burn them. We want to cook them just enough to sweat out their aromas and transform them into our magic golden 9-spice blend. If you don't have all of these spices, the three most important are the cumin, coriander, and garam masala, and that'll work fine. And here comes the spice blend. We're going to add a dozen small potatoes and steam them on the stove. Small to medium size is fine. Today we chose yellow potatoes, but any kind of potato will work. Checking to make sure the texture is nice and tender. We're going to dice up an onion and add it to the bowl. Peeling 1 carrot. And we're going to dice that carrot extra fine. And we're also going to dice up 3 cloves of garlic. Firing up the skillet, we're going to add some olive oil. And we're going to add our diced garlic. Getting it nice and hot, and now we're going to add our onion and carrots. One pinch of Hawaiian salt and 2. A little more mix up. We're going to add Kernal Corn, about 2 heaping tablespoons to the mix. And now we're going to start to add our 9-spice blend, step by step. You want to make sure that you check it along the way to make sure it gets to the level that you like. Final mix up and amazing aroma in the air. Having our steamed potatoes, we're going to scoop out the insides gently so we can keep the shell intact. For today's potato ball recipe, we're going to be stuffing the insides of these shells and baking them in the oven. Once we have the potatoes all scooped out, we can start stuffing the balls. Adding our spice mix with the mashed potatoes in the bowl and mixing the final mash. A little more Hawaiian salt. And we can start to make our balls. Putting some cheese in the bottom and packing the top with our potato spice blend. Make sure when you pack it nice and tight, almost like packing a sushi nigiri. You want to make sure that it bakes nice and tight in the oven as well. Looking good. And now that we've got them all prepared, we're going to add some olive oil to our baking dish and load them with the potato balls. Okay, and with our extra leftover pieces of potato, we're going to go ahead and add a little olive oil and wedge them in between the gaps. A little more drizzle of olive oil on top, and we're going to go ahead and pop them in the oven at 400 degrees for about 30 minutes. And from out of the oven and back into the kitchen, there we have it. Spicy stuffed potato balls. A little parsley garnish on top to finish. Enjoy. Yes. So nice. So tasty. Full of the malty spice flavors. Light and crunchy on top. Tender and chewy on the inside. Mahalo for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe. We'll see you in the kitchen soon. Aloha.